Hey guys, this is Vasant here and I want to admit that my Gmail feels overcomplicated. I have so many emails that sometimes I miss the reply for my important one. So what if there's the AI assistant that can automatically draft the reply for my emails, including the special ones? So hey guys, let me tell you this tool quickly here. So this is the Auto Gmail. So once you install its Chrome extension here, you have to simply give the access for your Gmail account. So simply click here on this Chrome extension and now it will ask you to continue with your Gmail account that you want to include this AI assistant to draft the replies for you. So I am going to give the authorization here and this is the 100% secure. Then after that it is going to ask you the contact. So this contact basically the information how you want to reply those emails using this AI. Then you can also upload your signature here and this is the blacklist contact section where you can add the emails that you want to block for the auto replying here. Then the best part what I like it here, somehow you are away with your computer and you can't able to access this AI tool. What if it can also draft the emails that you can use in your mobile app or mobile devices here? So that is actually the best part what I like it about it here. Whether you are away or your laptop switched off, still you are going to reply the emails with the help of this AI and you don't need to install any third-party app in your mobile devices because we have already the Chrome extension linked with our Gmail account. So that is actually the best part. So you have to enable it, but right now to enable it you have to upgrade to its premium plan. So right now Auto Gmail is available on the app so starting from the just $29. So once you got its lifetime deal you will able to access all the premium plans. If I scroll down below you will get to know what this tool about here. Automate email drafting and the response inside Gmail with the AI, whether it's your laptop or the mobile devices. Save time and the improve productivity with the smart contact aware emails. Yes, all the emails it is going to draft for the reply is going to be really relevant for you. Let me give you a demo here, but first let me talk about what are all the plans and features available. It has the more than 3 plans available and in every plan you are going to see the limits in the emails draft per month and the training emails per month and the contact limit. So contact limit is basically the pages, how many the pages you can add to giving the information AI for drafting your reply. Basically this is what its context limit here. So once you got any of these plans you are able to access all the premium features. Now simply you have to install its browser extension here and go to your Gmail account. So all you need to just open any of the emails. Right now I have opened these two experienced ones. For example, this email is the helpful for me. Now let me open any other one so I can show you. Suppose this is the email important for me and I want to just reply it. So simply I have to click here on the reply and now you can see this AI is actually working here and it is going to draft the replies for me. So I have the 2 drafts available. So this is the reply 1 and this is the reply 2. I have also the Merlin available that can do the same thing for me, but the problem is I have to give the context here so it can analyze that and then after that it will turn that context into the reply here. Okay, so that's how the Merlin work here. But in the Auto Gmail it has actually analyzed the email here first and based on that it has draft the reply for me. This is the same thing it can do for your mobile devices, that where you are going to access your inbox here and you will see this kind of the draft option in all of your emails. Okay, so simply you have to open in your mobile and here you will have to just click here on the send. Do not send automatically because sometimes AI can be the mess up in the important one. That's why it's just draft the replies for you and after reading that out, if you have some changes in your mind or if you don't find it unsuitable for you, you can change it and after that send it out. But basically it is going to help you a lot and save you a lot of the time if you have this kind of the emails in your Gmail account here, like more than 90,000 emails here and I think I got more than 100 plus emails every day. So this makes the mess up and I can't able to manage it, especially replying my important emails. That's why I think this tool is the super useful, easy yet really suitable for me. I suggest you should also check it out if you have problems with your Gmail mails while replying out and managing them. So if you want to check it out, it's lifetime deal starting from the $29. You can get in the link in the description. And the best part, there are also the free gifts I have included with this one. So make sure you check it out. The description for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated with all these kind of the AI tools, updates and comparison. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.